Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the lock screen app shortcut on your Samsung One UI 8 version. By default, you can see set the lock screen app shortcut. You can quickly access the application from the lock screen. So to customize the lock screen app shortcut, long press on the lock screen on your Samsung device. Unlock your device. Now here you can find the lock screen app shortcut, left shortcut, right shortcut. Just tap on it. You want to change. Now here you need to select the option like sound, flight mode, power saving. You can also select the application to quickly access from the lock screen like a calculator, Google Chrome. You can use the QR code scanner to make the payment. So you can select your favorite application on the lock screen. So here we select the calculator on the left shortcut. Now tap on the right shortcut. Here we select the do not disturb mode to quickly mute my phone. So if you are busy in the meeting or personal meeting, so you can select any settings or select any application. Now after that, if you don't want to use, just tap on the icon and tap on the no app select. It means you can't see any application on the lock screen. So you can also remove the shortcut from the lock screen also on your device. So now here we select the like Google Chrome application on my device at the left shortcut and do not disturb at the right shortcut. Now tap on a done option at the top right corner to save it on your device. Now to access it from the lock screen, just lock your Samsung One UI 8 and long press it and move it. Now you can see turn on do not disturb for how long. So you can quickly set it from the lock screen. Also, if you want to use this Google Chrome, just long press it and open it on your device. Just unlock it on your phone. So quite easy to set the lock screen app shortcut on your Samsung One UI 8 and any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.